Hey, I'm ZyEsha, and today I'll be doing a get ready with me video featuring all of the Everything Lovely beauty products. And check out the VIP model package. So you want to go in on your eyebrows with a nice brown pencil. I'm a really big fan of the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. To go in with a flat brush, like a paintbrush. Add a little bit, blending it in with my eyebrows. Today I will be using my Autumn Spice palette from NK Makeup. I'm gonna go in first with it will become the perfect transition shade with a little bit of this orange in our crease. Go in with some of the shimmer shades. So using my eyelash curler from Everything Lovely. Now we're gonna use our Everything Lovely lash glue pen to apply your eyelash right to the line. Everything Lovely has these beautiful mink lashes, and they come with this great packaging that slides right in and out so that they're easy to put in the box for aftercare. So let's go ahead and apply our lashes. I'm going to be using a pair of tweezers today because my nails are a weapon, so yeah, let's be safe. Look at that, right on, bloop. I like to go in with my tweezers and just squeeze it. It's a really good investment to have, especially because it does stay nice and sticky and it's a nice snug hug, so you don't have to continue to reapply it once you have it on because this lash is on for the night. Use a little bit of this tan color just to kind of blend above my brow bone. Cocoa Radiant from Vaseline. This is one of my favorite products. Kiss Gold Primer. And a little bit goes a long way with this product. You want to make sure that you're rubbing your primer all the way into your skin, allowing it to seep through. Underneath my eyes a bit. With the concealer, like a little on my chin. All skin is 2 to 3 different shades, so you want to use between 2 and 3 different shades of foundation when blending your face and your neck. I do suffer from hyperpigmentation, but I do not color correct. I just go in with my foundation because I use the Melania 2-in-1 on the bottom half of my face. It is a foundation and concealer blend, and it's really good and thick, so I don't go in and worry about that because my foundation usually does the full job. The areas that I know I suffer from hyperpigmentation, I just kind of go in and I blend myself. Love how this Melania foundation just melts into my skin. Because I know I need that to like do that thing that it does when it blends really good for me. So I like to go in with my 2 different colors. So if you like to do your foundation like swatch by swatch, I recommend you using a paintbrush. And you want to make sure that you're using your skin tone above your eyebrows so that everything blend really nice. And I love to use these soft little bitty brushes for my foundation. To makeup, your makeup turn out the best when you use the products that work the best for your face. Spray. Always spray your foundation before you blend it in. This will help it stay really seamless and flawless. It'll look like airbrush. A little more won't hurt, okay? Spread the product too soon. That looks, okay. A little contour, you know? We just want a little drama. I'm loving this. I'm loving it so much. It's been a while since I just had a super chic, clean look without too much drama, no glitter. You know. Concealer to your highlight, and you want to go ahead and do a little bit on the bridge of your nose so you can finish out that contour. These are really good for keeping powder nice and packed in without having any type of creasing. My chalk dust from the crayon case, so messy. Over highlight. Some people, they love to over highlight me. A little powder poof be enough. While we're baking in our highlighted areas, I'm gonna go in and start to blend out our nose and blend it between our eyebrows so that your powder backwards. You want to brush it off your face. I'm going to use the same powder up the bridge of my nose and right in between my eyebrows, just to keep my highlight going and my focal points. Now we're going to use our Playing in Makeup by Yolanda bronzer palette. Some of the most beautiful colors. And just warm myself back up. Wet that thing up. I have this Ruby Kisses Dare blush palette. It's one of my new bit of my, okay, wake your girl up. Hey, I'm here. Wake me up a bit. You know, when I put on blush, you got a fake laugh. Oh, so funny, so funny. You know, you got to smile. You got to make sure you catching them cherries. You want to, you know, when I do my blush, I like to, so I, right there, right underneath, just to bring more emphasis to that one little bitty area. And then sometimes I'll go in with a little combo, you know, bling, 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 bling. You know, give yourself a little, you know, that is beautiful, okay? You cannot beat that. You cannot beat that. That is beautiful. Look at that. Yes. I do give myself, like, you know, I like to be nice and high bronzer. I also like to bring it into my brow bone. I definitely like to add my bronzer in areas where I have added my highlight, because it just do something for me. And y'all know I can't see without my glasses, right? That's why I always think it's like such a God-given talent that I could do makeup and body painting, because I can't see shit. But it's okay though, because we know this face. So let's keep going. Natural definition, which means not too much, just a little bit of oomph. And then I like to go in with a little concealer. So the concealer that we went under our eyes with, I'll just blot it in my lips. In some situations, you can even go across your lips with a little bit of eyeshadow that's in a light color. It'll help mattify. We're gonna go on with our Laura Mercier loose powder and deep, and just blend. We just want everything to blend seamlessly like milk into my face. I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Today we did a full-blown look using all of our Everything Lovely beauty products. We have our eyelash curler, our glue pen, and we also have our mink lashes that I'm currently wearing. If you haven't already, please go check out Everything Lovely. Not only do they have a great variety of clothes, they're always in trend, and they have fast customer service. You always want to shop with a company that not only has variety, but they genuinely care about you receiving your products. It's so much more than about money. So make sure that whatever you do, you go check out Everything Lovely, you go check out these beauty products. You definitely have to order you a lash pen. Remember, order 2 because you don't want it to dry out. Stay tuned for part 2 where I jam up our daytime look into a nighttime look. Hey, I'm ZyEsha, and today I'll be doing a get ready with me video featuring all of the Everything Lovely beauty products. We're gonna go back in with our Autumn Spice palette, and we're gonna go in with the dark brown product onto my brush. And I'm gonna just blend it on the back end of my eyeshadow because it'll really wake it up and make it a nighttime look. Eyeshadow is intensifying your look. Oh, I love that. Look at that. Yes. I went from the grocery store to the Grammys. Add a little drama using a little black eyeliner in our waterline. So I'm gonna go in, grab me a little black on the tip of your brush. We're gonna go in with the Poison Apple palette from NK Makeup into this purple. We're gonna use this matte lipstick like a lip liner. Our Poison Apple palette into this hot pink and buff it out. So I'm just going through and making me like a little color combo lip using my eyeshadow. I went in the center with the hot pink. I went around my outline with the purple. Now I'm going in with the ruby shimmer just across my lips. We're gonna go across with a little gloss. gonna let our face dry off, but this is the quickest way to turn your daytime look into a nighttime look. We're going from the grocery store to the Grammys. It's so easy, a few steps. We just added a little color to our eyeshadow. We added some pigment to our waterline. We pumped up our lips. We intensified our blush, and we went ahead and resaturated our face with the setting spray, and we're good to go. Are you ready for the Grammys, girl? Make sure you check out Everything Lovely, and thank you for getting ready with me, your girl ZyEsha.